Hello, in this video we're going to talk about what a scalar and vector quantity is. So let's begin. What is a scalar quantity? If we have this number 32, it is a scalar quantity because it is a number, right? It is a number with a unit, but it has no direction. So again, a distance is a scalar quantity, or for example 46 degrees Celsius, that's a scalar quantity. Other examples of scalar quantities includes volume. We also have mass, speed, and time, because they all give a number with a unit. Now let's focus on vector quantities. Vector quantity is essentially a number 32, for example, with the unit, but so if this is scalar, a vector quantity or vector unit would be basically a number with a unit and a direction. It could be up or it could be east, west, north, south, or any other direction. So a vector is essentially a number with a unit and a direction, whereas a scalar is essentially a number with just a unit. One important thing: the magnitude of a vector. So the magnitude of a vector will always be positive. The reason being is that if, for example, we have a negative 32 kilometers, right? Now this could be valid, right? But we always want to keep the vector's quantity or the magnitude, which is a number, always positive. And the way we would make it positive is by multiplying it by -1, right? And flip the direction. Therefore, what this would essentially become plus 32 kilometers going down instead of minus 32 kilometers going up. Therefore, the magnitude stays positive and the direction changes. And one final note: how do we represent a vector? Vectors are usually represented with a capital sized letter, okay, a capital sized letter with an arrow over it, because the arrow represents that, means that this variable has direction, and all vectors have direction. Therefore, we represent our vectors with a capital sized letter with an arrow over it.